Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, student.
Good
Good
morning,
morning,
sir.
sir.
How are you keeping today?
I'm fine.
I'm
How about you,
fine.
sir?
How about you, sir?
I'm fine too. Thank you for asking me. My name is Mr. Afgan Nail Irfan. You can call me Mr. Afgan. I am your new biology teacher. I will be teaching you biology this year and beyond. Okay, before starting the lesson today, let's pray together. Ala haziniyah wa ala kulli niyatin sholihah naqra umul furqan al-fatihah. Okay, finish, student. Next, I will check your attendance today. Please raise your hand and say present when Mr. call your name. Teguh,
Yes, present.
good. Herdi,
Yes, present.
okay, good. Okay, student, let's begin our lesson now. Have you ever thought that there are fish that can eat all fish for 3 years? Wow, that's great, all right? What fish is that? His name is lungfish, but he also has another name, namely Tana lungfish. The shape is elegant like an eel, but has like an exotic pattern. And the face and the funny look, of course, it make the main attraction for this one fish. What are the ins it's out like? We will learn at this meeting. Can you see my share screen? Student?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Lesson topic for today is word animal. That is lungfish or Protopterus ananthens. Okay, student, do you know about lungfish?
No, sir.
Okay, it doesn't matter.
No, sir.
Can you see?
Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
This is classification of Protopterus ananthens. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Chordata, class and Actinopterygii, ordo Lepidosireniformes, family Protopteridae, genus Protopterus, and species Protopterus ananthens. In accordance with its name, which means lungfish, lungfish are able to breathe by taking oxygen directly from the air like land animal. There are even several types of lungfish that lost their gill function as they get older because they breathe air so often. The why lungfish life is influenced by the season. When enough water is available, that will swim and survive by eating small fish and crustaceans at the bottom of the water. Meanwhile, when the dry season arrives, lungfish will dig a hole in the mud using their mouth and they enter it. Lungfish will continue to dig until it reaches certain depth, that makes it comfortable to stay still. In the hole, lungfish will secrete a kind of slime from its hardened skin to form a kind of protection around it like a cocoon. While insect instead, only parts of his mouth was left open so that he could continue to breathe. During a long hibernation, the lungfish adjusts its metabolic system. After the water supply is abundant again and the mud softens, then the lungfish come out of the hole. Some reports claim this fish can live in a dry mud pit for as long as 4 years. Next is description. If we'll talk about physical form, African lungfish has a prominent muzzle and small eyes. Then the body is quite long, like an eel, about 9 until 15 times the length of the head. Although similar to eels, of course there is something that distinguishes this fish from eels. What that? The answer is two pairs of fins that resemble legs. For this lungfish, which is type of African lungfish, the fins look like roots. Usually, he used it to walk on the bottom of the water and explore the surrounding area. That is unique again. There are 3 external gills on both the left and right side of the body. Oh yes, the African lungfish skin is plain with cycloid scales. Let's see, the African lungfish body color is olive or brown on the back side. As for the side of the stomach, usually tends to be brighter. There are black or brown spots all over his body except for his belly. How long can the African lungfish really be? You know, its body size can reach a length of about 1 meter in the wild. Wow, that's pretty big too. So the next slide is spread. Regarding territorial distribution, African lungfish are widely distributed. It can be found in Sierra Leone, Guinea, Togo, Ivory Coast, Cameroon, Niger, Nigeria, Burkina Faso, Gambia, Ghana, Central African Republic, Chad, Benin, Senegal, Kenya, Mali, and Sudan. So, food. There is an interesting fact. It turned out that African lungfish are not carnivores, but omnivores. It can eat fish, shellfish, amphibians, and often some types of plants. Wow, you must have thought that it's true or he can eat plants. So don't have to worry if you take care of this fish. You can give him food in the form of shrimp, small fish such as tilapia, catfish, and others. As an alternative, you can give him an algae wafer. Then, what will surprise you is quoting from the official website is seriously fish. African lungfish does not need food every day, and in fact, it can live without food at all for more than 3 years. Anyone have a question for today's about words, animal material?
No, sure.
No, sure.
Okay. For today's assignment is to look for which animal or word planes. This assignment you will collect next month, and the assignment is done individually. Understand?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay, everyone. I have enough for today. To close, let's pray together. Teguh, please lead the prayer.
Okay, sir. Praying begins. Okay, finish.
Thank you, Teguh. I hope this today lesson can be useful. Keep health and remember, ijhad wala taksal wala takungo filan fanada matul ukbal liman yatakasal. Prepare make you better and practice make you perfect. Thank you, student. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
See you next
Thank you, sir.
time. Thank you. You're welcome.